Hello friends, today I will share with you how to make coriander seeds water at home magical drink for weight loss, herbal weight loss drink. So friends, definitely try this amazing remedy at home. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. First we need 2 glasses water. Second, we need coriander seeds. Coriander or dhaniya is a commonly used herb that is used in almost all vegetable preparations in India. But did you know that coriander seeds can also be used to improve your overall health and also help in weight loss? The health benefits of coriander are very well known. The bright green herb is a powerhouse of a variety of minerals and vitamins including potassium, iron, magnesium, calcium, folic acid, and vitamins A, K, and C. As such, coriander can help in solving a number of health issues. Third, we need cinnamon for weight loss. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce some of the bad effects of eating high-fat foods. This can help in an overall weight loss plan. Its effect on blood glucose levels can also help your body ultimately lose weight. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of cinnamon can provide additional help to those trying to lose weight by promoting an overall healthy body that'll process food better. It's important to note that cinnamon alone will not lead to long-term weight loss. Boil for 10 minutes. Fourth, we need lemon. Lemon water can promote fullness, support hydration, boost metabolism and increase weight loss. However, lemon water is no better than regular water when it comes to losing fat. That being said, it is tasty, easy to make and can be used as a low-calorie replacement for higher-calorie beverages. Last, we need honey. One of the best ways to consume honey for weight loss is by having a teaspoon of honey before bedtime. Doing so will help the body burn more fat during the early hours of your sleep. Honey is also known to have the power of suppressing the appetite. Mix it well. How to drink these remedies. It can be taken either on an empty stomach or after eating. Every day drink this remedis. I hope only 5 days a good result for you. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.